thank you.
Our new
In
home.
my house.
Yeah.
Look at it.
So excited
Keys to
for
the
you.
house, yeah. And it even come with keys for the kids too.
Yeah.
It's on that one. Okay.
There you go.
All right, you got it?
Thank you.
Okay.
All right.
So guys, we are done signing off on the house. Everything is closed, everything is finalized. We can't go back, it's ours. So guys, I'm just gonna take you guys on this journey with us and show you our new home. We gotta give God thanks for that, okay? We can't leave out God in anything that we do. So you're on your way to your new home.
Yep.
How does it feel?
Pick up my key from my own house.
How does it
Finally,
feel?
2020 has been good.
Really?
Yeah.
With all of
In
that?
spite of the quarantine, out of every bad situation, there is good. And this is one of them. Is this an orange?
It's a lemon.
Oh, it
Oh,
doesn't
that's
matter.
lemon
You
tree. So welcome to our home, guys. Today I'm just going to be showing you guys before and after videos. So if you're here and you're not yet subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and join the family. So this is a postcard that we got from our realtor. Her name is Clair Gammel. I already told her that I was going to give her a shout out in this video. So if you guys are in this area and you want to purchase a home, you can contact her. She's really nice and she was very helpful and patient with us. And I'm gonna be leaving her information in the description box down below. And she also gave us a gift card from Lowe's. So guys, our agent from DSLDHOMES also left us a little goodie bag and a postcard as well, which was really nice. Thank you so much, Laura. So if you guys know me personally, or if you guys are subscribed to my food channel, you guys already know how much time I spend in the kitchen. So this was the main area that I was looking forward to, and I really loved it. The only thing is that there is no refrigerator. The refrigerator would have been here, but this house didn't come with any, and most of the other houses that they showed to us had refrigerator, but we prefer this house, so we choose to buy this house without the refrigerator, and we went ahead and purchased our own. And they also left us this cute little house box with some touch-up paint, so that after we moved in, if we would need to touch up any area, we would have this little kit to do our little touch-up, which I thought was very sweet. So I'm just showing you guys the before of the kitchen and what it's gonna look like afterwards. So guys, because of the pandemic, it was really hard to find a refrigerator, but we finally did, and we got one at Best Buy. I do need another bar stool though, but this is it so far. I love it, and this I like when things are simple. I don't like when my kitchen is overcrowded, so this is it. So it's an open floor plan. So moving over from the kitchen, you have the dining area, which is right here, and then from the dining area it leads up to the living room area. So I'm just going to show you guys the before for the dining room and the living room, and then you will see the after later on. So this is my little comfy living room area. The only thing that I would do now is add like 2 more cushions. I really don't like when my sofa is full with cushion because I have kids, and you know, when kids sit and they get up, they don't like to fix back stuff. So I might just add 2 more and that's it. I don't want to overcrowd it with too much cushion. And we also went in with the same decor in the dining room, except that we add a little teal because we wanted to go in with teal in the kitchen, so we wanted everything to blend in. So in the dining room area we added the blue and silver with some teal, and then we have the full teal in the kitchen. So this is a washroom. There is still work in progress in the washroom. We already put in the dryer and the washer, but there's a lot left to be done in there, and the garage as well. So you won't see after for these areas because we're not done, but I might do a separate video for that because my husband is doing a little DIY in the garage, so I might film that as a video as well. So moving on to my son's room, this is the before, and this is his little closet right here. So guys, nothing too fussy, typical boys room. I don't have to tell you, you can see him over there playing his game. So yeah, just a simple little boys room. So this is the hallway bathroom. I'm just showing you the before here. I really like everything in here. There's nothing that I would change in here, nothing at all. I like the fact that the bath doesn't have any groove to clean, so it's easy to clean. You just spray and wipe and that's it. And I went in with a green and white decor for that. Just something simple, nothing too fussy. So right beside the hallway bathroom, you have another room which is just a little bit bigger than my son's room. But everything else the same, with the same. The closet is maybe a little bit bigger as well. So moving on to the after, there is still work in progress, guys. I never know that moving would be so hard. I've never moved before, so yeah, it's very hectic. Trust me, but I think we're doing a pretty good job so far. We have got most of the stuff done. So now we're moving on to the before of the master bedroom, and this was a plus to have the control for the AC in here. That was a plus for my husband because he liked to control it. So yeah. So for the master bedroom, I went in with ivory and gold, and the only thing is I couldn't find the drapes that I want. There were some really nice one in JCPenney, but they were like $54 for one piece. They were like so expensive for me, so I just left them alone. I'm satisfied with what I have now until I can find the exact thing that I want. And there's just a few little stuff left to be done in here, but otherwise I'm loving it. So now moving on to the master bathroom, guys. I really love this bathroom. I love it. I love the lighting. You have a light over the toilet, one over the shower, and one above the face basin. So if I want to do like get ready with me, or a nighttime routine, whatever videos I want to do in here, I'm gonna have enough lighting. I don't have to add any extra light. The lighting is just perfect in here. And I also love how the toilet is in a little corner by itself. So for the decor, I went in with gray and white, and I kept it as simple as possible. No crowding. I don't like when things when room is crowded. I just love it simple. It's easy to clean, everything is easy to move around, and that's just how I love it. And it's just perfect. The space is perfect. So I don't know if I mentioned this in the previous clips, but we got a corner lot, and you know that that's a lot of land space. By the way, that's my mom probably watching some Nigerian movie. Yeah, we have a lot of land space at the front, at the back, and at the sides. So we have a lot of play area, and I'm really loving that as well. I can do a little garden in the back if I want to, with some little vegetables or whatever. So I'm just gonna show you around the house, and that's it. If you've made it this far in the video, I really appreciate you guys for being so loyal, for being so patient. I haven't posted in a while now, but I'm gonna be making videos this week, so next week you'll be seeing me. Okay guys, if you're here for the first time and you have not yet subscribed, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Help a sister out. Okay, I need some watch time on my channel so that my channel can be, you know, monetized. So share it with your family, share it with your friends, and tell them to subscribe as well so that my channel can grow. Okay, we have to help each other out. Each one help one, right? And make sure guys, when you subscribe, make sure you hit that little bell beside the subscribe button so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. Oh, look at my little blueberry tree. It has some little blueberries on it. I also want to give some shout outs. I have to shout out the Francis family. Big up yourself all the time. You always you make sure that you check up on me because you haven't seen me posting in a while, and you message me on Instagram to make sure that I am doing okay and whatever. And thanks for Nat Spencer for being so supportive towards me, and also Alkamat, she's always watching my video as well. So if you guys want to go over to their channel, I will put their links in the description box. Also, please go over and support my daughter on her channel. Her name is Tashika R. I'm gonna put all the names up on the screen and in the description box so you guys can go and subscribe to them as well and show them some love. Thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.